ASUS Vivobook 16X. Vivobook 16X, whether it's for creative work or gaming fun, its 13th Gen Intel Core H series processor and nvidia GeForce RTX TM4050 laptop GPU give you all the multitasking power you need, with a NUX switch to put you in full control of the graphics performance. Give your eyes a treat with the awesome Nano Edge display that delivers ultra-vivid colors and super smooth visuals, and get ready to explore the worlds of your imagination. Vivobook 16X has the classic Vivobook raised logo tab on its metallic lid, and the iconic warning striped entry key gives it a distinctive look. You can choose from two timeless finishes, indie black or cool silver. Whichever one you choose, it will always look fresh. Intel Core i5-13500H processor, 2.6 GHz. 18 MB cache, up to 4.7 GHz, 12 cores, 16 threads. Graphics nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, 190 for AI tops. 6 GB GDDR6. Memory 16 GB DDR for on-board max total system memory up to 32 GB dual-channel memory. Storage 512 GB M.2 NVMe SSD. Display 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 1610 aspect ratio IPS level panel, LED backlit, 144 Hz refresh rate, 400 nits, 100% sRGB color gamut, anti-glare display, TV Rainland certified, non-touch screen, screen-to-body ratio 85%. There's an ultra-fast Thunderbolt for 17 support power delivery. DisplayPort. 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports. HDMI 2.1 port to connect external monitors. Standard SD card reader and an audio combo jack, so it's easy to connect all your existing peripherals, displays and projectors. Backlit Chiclet keyboard with num key, 1.4mm key travel, precision touchpad. One-touch login. The optional fingerprint sensor in the touchpad allows easy and secure one-touch login. Vivobook 16X ensures you'll always have enough power on tap from its long-lasting 70Wh battery. With its fast charge capability, you can top it up to 50% in only 30 minutes, so you're always ready for anything. Audio Sonic Master built-in speaker, built-in array microphone with Cortana support. Network and communication. Wi-Fi 6E, 802.11 AX, dual band, 2x2 plus Bluetooth.